Friends, I am Alok Sneha, Advocate Supreme Court, President HC Solicitor and Advocates, and also President Bharatiya Legal Support Foundation. In fact, in long span of my practice, I realized that NRIs are lacking trustworthy legal support in India. We expect them to invest into India, but actual legal services have not been provided. Either the lawyers are very busy, big lawyers, and small lawyers are involved in their own problems. So for this cause, the foundation came forward. Now I would like to tell you that what is foundation doing. Basically, foundation main object is to provide complimentary legal support to non-resident Indians and person of Indian origins. Suppose somebody is in America, he has to travel all the way to India to deal the things, and then long pending disputes, then how can he contact? So he requires somebody who is trustworthy, reputed. Here we come for your help and support. Foundation 1 will provide you complimentary legal support, and it will also give you discount or concession which is 20% on actual legal services and support. You can take the advice complimentary, and actual legal services means any case court is there, because after advice you have to fight the case also. Maybe mutation, succession, partition suit, or a divorce suit, or anti-dowry act suit, litigation, or a declaration suit, etc. After all, then you have to go to the court, and sometimes you also require a representation. Representation means what? Before any government, before any authority, maybe India, maybe any state of India, whatever representation you require before the authorities, we will provide you that actual legal support on discounted or a concessional fees, which will be given to you on a 20% what we charge actually from them. Here we would also like to mention that you have got lot of property matter problems, anti-dowry problems, mutation, succession, inheritance, and I will give you an example of certain things which I came across. This looks very small at my level when I am a Supreme Court lawyer dealing the corporate houses where we charge lakhs and lakhs of rupees, $1,000 for multinationals, but then it is small. But then you are having a problem because you can't come all the way. They are busy in their own sphere, your relatives and all that. So you require some good lawyers who can provide you help. Like I will give you an example. Somebody was having some big piece of land near the airport in Punjab, near Amritsar probably, I remember. So the nearby, the dairyman or the milkman has encroached his property and was tying his bhansas on all those cattle over there, and he was a gunda man, he was an outlaw. Now how to sell that property? He approached me, then I took a help of the police, I took my influence, and then of course advertised. Then he had given me a power of attorney to negotiate with the buyer also. So all those things were done. These kind of so many problems, not only property, marriage, matrimonial. I remember a case where some ladies came to me, their mother, father died. The father was in World Bank. He was very, very well off. Then he had a house in Greater Kailash. He was not having how to get it done. They were on a leave for 14 days. You should have a death certificate, then you go for a municipal corporation, then inspector is not available, then he's not coming there, then you waste your time in that. So that looks very small to me. That was the things when I started doing all this for you people. Then that was a basic starting incident where I thought they are having so much help. So I sent although that was not a work of my level, but I called the Deputy Commissioner of the income tax, the tax department, and then inspector came and inspected the property. Then mutation is a small thing, but that was done. So what I am trying to do, that if you are a member of Bharatiya Legal Support Foundation, which is a social organization which is doing the work for your benefit, for your interest, then we will give you annual membership. This is $325 annum. You can take as many advices as you like. And if you want actual concessional services, that means the 20% discount will be given to you actual services and any kind of a legal support. I would like to quote that please do understand that as corporate lawyers dealing all the top companies which you can see on my side, we do not charge less than $2,000, $3,000 minimum each advice from the corporate. Even if non-member NRI comes, we will not charge less than $500 for each advice. Here I am giving you advice $325. This is not a business. We will give you $325 for whole year, annual, and then any advice of number that you will be cleared what is to be done, what is not to be done, how you can take precautions, so your mind will be clear. One thing. Second, foundation is also doing that once you are our member, what is my intention? That will create a power, unity, because you are our member, then we are powerful and you are powerful. Then representation also, sometime you require representation before the governments. I remember in UK it happened, in India happens, you require a joint common platform which Bharatiya Legal Support Foundation gives you, because once you are a member. So that is my intention, to create a power which will be created, because we want something, we should give you something, and we are giving you. So please be a member. The last I will tell you, we do the social work. That social work means the foundation is a bridge for any donations you want to do, Cheshire Homes, orphanage, old age homes, so you can donate. So I hope you will understand the concept. Thank you very much. Please be a member. Thank you.